This 2009 Chrysler Sebring 4-doors LX sedan features a 2.4 LL4 SFID OHC16 V4 civil gasoline engine. It is equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle is Clearwater Blue Pearl with a dark slate gray interior. The remainder of the factory warranty is still available. An affordable 5-year 100,000 bumper-to-bumper extended warranty is also available. Call for details. Air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, passenger airbag, AM/FM, CD player, cloth interior surface. This is a one-owner vehicle, with no reported accidents or damage from Carfax. The Sebring has 4 new tires and the brake rotors have all been machined, and we've installed new brake pads FR. The exterior and interior of the vehicle has been professionally detailed.